Draw the graph of x plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 9 on the axes below, clearly indicating the coordinates of the x-axis intercepts. So we have x plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 9. This is a circle, and we can see that the center is at -2, 0, -2 coming from here. The fact that's just a y squared tells us the 0. And the radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. So -2, 0 is the center. The radius is 3. So we go 3 that way, 3 that way. We're going to go 3 this way and 3 this way, and then try to draw a reasonably good circle. And mine's not great, but it'll probably get me the marks. Draw the graph of y equals -6 on x minus 3 on the axes below, clearly indicating the coordinates of the y-axis intercept and the equations of any asymptotes. Now, we can see from -6 over x minus 3, and remember there's a plus 0 here that we don't bother writing down. That plus 0 means it hasn't moved up or down. And that means that the x-axis is a horizontal asymptote. And remember, that is the line y equals 0. The -3 in here means it's moved 3 to the right. So the vertical asymptote, which is normally the y-axis, is going to be moved across to x equals 3. Now, the -6 means if we go to the point where those cross and go 1 unit across, we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to meet the curve again. So the curve is definitely going to go there. And we can do the same sort of thing on the other side. If we go left 1 unit, we must go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the curve will go here. Now, y-axis intercept. So the y-axis intercept means that x is equal to 0, giving us -6 on -3, which is 2. So it's going to go through there. Now, they will have, by symmetry, an equivalent sort of point on the other side. So note from the center that we've gone 3 units that way and we go 2 up. So if we go 3 units this way, we'll go 2 down, and that point there must be on the curve. And that's probably enough as long as we have the right behavior with the asymptotes. We're going to do that. And we are going to do that. And we want to clearly indicate this. So I'm going to say that is at 0, 2, just there.